Today, we delve into the ever-evolving realm of AI and its profound impact on our lives. Join us as we dissect Google's quest to enhance AI-powered search for younger generations, Meta's ingenious AI tools sweeping across its platforms, and OpenAI's groundbreaking project in collaboration with industry giants. Google, the tech giant renowned for its search capabilities, is continually pushing the boundaries of what AI can do for users of all ages. In a recent development, Google has embarked on a mission to enhance its AI search functions, making them not only more powerful, but also accessible to a younger audience. This represents a significant step forward in the integration of AI into everyday life, particularly for those aged 13 to 17 in the United States. The cornerstone of Google's approach to expanding AI search functions for younger users is the introduction of Google Bard, a novel chatbot that exemplifies the intersection of human-like conversation and artificial intelligence. Bard is poised to become a virtual companion, helping users navigate the vast ocean of online information effortlessly. Its primary goal is to make the process of searching for information as intuitive as possible, thus catering to the digital native generation. Moreover, Google's commitment to this initiative is evident in the launch of Search Labs, a platform that allows users to actively engage with and test these new AI features. By soliciting feedback from users, Google aims to refine and perfect the capabilities of its AI search functions continually. This collaborative approach is emblematic of Google's dedication to ensuring that AI evolves in a manner that is not only useful, but also safe and responsive to users' needs. The age group of 18 to 24 has already experienced the benefits of these AI-supported search features, finding them to be immensely valuable. Recognizing the positive feedback and potential, Google is now extending access to younger users, those aged 13 to 17 in the United States. This expansion marks a pivotal moment in the journey of democratizing AI, ensuring that even the next generation can harness the power of artificial intelligence for their educational and informational needs. One standout feature that has garnered significant attention is the See AI-generated main points option during browsing. For students and younger learners, this feature can be an educational game changer. It empowers users to instantly grasp the key takeaways from web pages through AI-generated summaries. Whether it's for research, school projects, or general knowledge acquisition, this feature has the potential to revolutionize how information is consumed and comprehended. Safety remains a paramount concern for Google, especially when catering to a younger demographic. To address this, Google is actively implementing additional safeguards to prevent younger users from encountering unsuitable or harmful content. These safety measures are a testament to Google's commitment to responsible AI development and its dedication to ensuring that AI is harnessed for good. Additionally, Google recognizes the importance of education and guidance when it comes to AI for teenagers and their parents. To bridge this knowledge gap, Google provides a comprehensive guide about AI. This resource offers insights into the benefits and limitations of AI technology, empowering both teenagers and parents to make informed decisions regarding its usage. In an effort to foster transparency, Google has also introduced a feature named About This Result. This functionality offers users a clear explanation of how AI arrived at specific answers or results. This transparency ensures that users understand the role of AI in their search experience and helps demystify the mechanics behind the scenes. One noteworthy aspect of Google's approach is the respect for content creators and publishers. Google acknowledges that AI systems learn and develop from online content, which could be seen as a form of utilizing someone's work without their explicit consent. To address this, Google introduced the Google Extended tool. This feature grants website owners the authority to decide whether they want their site's content to be used in training Google's AI tools. This move exemplifies Google's commitment to fostering ethical AI development while respecting intellectual property rights. Meta, formerly Facebook, has introduced new AI tools across platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram. One new feature, AI Sticker, lets users create custom stickers by typing commands. Two upcoming Instagram features, Restyle and Backdrop, allow users to change the appearance of their photos and backgrounds. Meta's new AI assistant will soon be available on platforms like WhatsApp and Ray-Ban smart glasses. This assistant can provide information, create images, answer questions, and tell jokes. Meta is also testing 28 AIs with unique personalities and plans to launch an AI studio platform for building custom AIs. OpenAI is collaborating with former Apple designer Johnny Ive and SoftBank to create a groundbreaking AI device. The project aims to be as revolutionary as the iPhone and is seeking $1 billion in funding. The team's focus is on designing an AI device that feels intuitive to use, drawing inspiration from the iPhone's interface. SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son is considering a substantial investment and wants SoftBank's subsidiary, ARM, to play a significant role. Discussions about the project are ongoing and the final agreement is yet to be reached. Scientists have deployed a new AI-based method capable of identifying signs of life with 90% accuracy. This technology can detect certain life-related molecules that previously broke down over time. It has applications in space exploration, allowing robots on planets like Mars or the Moon to search for signs of life. It may also aid in studying ancient rocks on Earth to uncover the presence of life in the distant past. Microsoft is establishing a new AI center in San Francisco, further establishing the city as an AI hotspot. This AI co-innovation lab aims to assist businesses in incorporating AI into their projects. Microsoft offers resources for both large and small companies, emphasizing online service and software. Projects include collaboration with Sony on computer vision tech and efforts to enable non-coders to create software. This is the second such lab in the U.S., highlighting the city's importance in AI development. Amazon plans to invest up to $4 billion in Anthropic, the company behind the AI assistant Claude. This partnership will enhance Anthropic's AI models using Amazon's technology, making them available on Amazon's platform, Bedrock, Claude 2, Anthropic AI chat assistant rivals OpenAI ChatGPT. Amazon's investment allows AWS users to easily integrate AI features into their projects and apps. OpenAI, a leader in artificial intelligence research and development, has reintroduced a groundbreaking feature to its ChatGPT platform: the ability to browse the internet. The addition marks a significant advancement in the capabilities of ChatGPT and opens up new horizons for its users. The decision to reintroduce web browsing functionality to ChatGPT is indicative of OpenAI's commitment to continuously improving its AI offerings. While initially available to premium ChatGPT users, OpenAI has plans to make this feature accessible to everyone in the near future. This move is driven by the recognition that AI should be a tool that benefits a broad spectrum of users, allowing them to harness the power of the internet for various purposes. However, the reintroduction of web browsing features in ChatGPT has not been without its share of challenges and considerations. One of the primary concerns revolves around users' privacy. To utilize ChatGPT's web browsing feature, users are required to share their chat history. This sharing of chat history has raised valid concerns about the potential exposure of personal details and sensitive information. OpenAI, aware of these privacy concerns, have implemented measures to mitigate risks. Websites can control how they interact with ChatGPT online, ensuring that users' privacy and security are safeguarded to the best extent possible. This emphasis on users' privacy underscores OpenAI's dedication to responsible AI development and its commitment to maintaining the trust of its user base. The reintroduction of web browsing in ChatGPT is a response to user demand and a recognition of the myriad ways in which AI can assist users in their information-seeking endeavors. It empowers ChatGPT users to access the vast knowledge repository of the internet in a conversational and intuitive manner. Whether it's researching complex topics, finding the latest news, or exploring niche interest, ChatGPT's web browsing feature expands the utility of this AI tool. This feature also opens up possibilities for users to engage in more interactive and dynamic conversations with ChatGPT. Users can now ask questions that require real-time internet searches to fetch the most up-to-date information. This capability aligns ChatGPT with the evolving nature of the internet, where information is constantly changing and updating. Furthermore, the reintroduction of web browsing adds value for professionals and knowledge workers who rely on AI assistance for research and information synthesis. It streamlines the process of gathering information from diverse sources, making it easier for users to stay informed and make well-informed decisions. House valuations often miss the mark, with inaccuracies averaging 133%. A new tool named Homer by HomeMove aims to change this using visual AI to analyze pictures of homes. It considers factors like room tidiness, interior conditions, and damage, while also utilizing past sale prices and energy ratings. This tool helps sellers better understand their home's value and attracts more buyers, aiding estate agents. Microsoft is introducing a new feature called Paint Co-Creator, which uses OpenAI's DALL-E E3 model to turn text descriptions into digital artwork. Users can describe what they want to create in simple words, and the tool provides 3 art options to choose from. This feature requires a specific version of Paint and joining a waitlist. Microsoft ensures constant safety with built-in features to prevent inappropriate or harmful images. That wraps up this video, which was packed with exciting developments across the AI landscape. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated for all future uploads.